Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and today you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Facility card, present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is European guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking in this hotel, then contact us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video